Hello everyone, happy to see you here. Really interesting brain test for you today. We need to find this number in the middle. We have a lot of numbers outside. We have 4, 4, 1, 8, 2, 4, 4, 2 and 2, and we need to find the last number. Right here on the right hand side we have a lot of options. We have A, B, C and D. So right now I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. And of course after 30 seconds we will check our answer. I swear it will be more interesting for you to check our answer in the end of the video. Okay, we have a lot of numbers. We have the first line we have 4, 4, 1, second line we have 2, 8, and third line 2, 4, 2. What is the pattern between all of these numbers? I want to start with even and odd numbers. If we start with even and odd numbers, what even numbers we know? Even numbers, we know that we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and a lot of even numbers. So even number can be divided by 2. And right here we have odd numbers. So what odd numbers we have? We have 1, we have 3, we have 5, and a lot of odd numbers. Okay, how can we work with this? Take a look closely to all of these numbers. Can we maybe we can find the pattern between all of these numbers using even and odd? We have right here even number, and the last one is odd number. So this pattern does not work in our case. We have like not all even, not all odd number. We have different numbers. So let's start with the next logic. If we multiply the first row, if we multiply 4 by 1, what do we have as a result? We have 16. Right here, if we multiply 2 by 4 by 2, if we multiply 2 by 4, 8, 8 times 2, we have as well 16. So it looks like we find step by step our pattern. And moreover, I want to show you a really interesting pattern, because if we multiply not in this way, not as a horizontal and as a vertical way, if we multiply 2 by 8 by 1, we have 16 as well. And moreover, in this way, if we multiply a vertical way, we have 2, 2, 4. If we multiply it, we will have 16 as well. So it looks like in every way that we find in this way, we have as a result always 16. So our number in the middle will need 16 as well. But we have this line, we have this vertical line, we have 4 by 4. What number we need to multiply this 4 by 4 and the number that we need to find to have this 16? Of course, if we have 4 times 4, and we need to multiply it 4 times 4 by only 1, because if we multiply it by 1, we will have 16. So this number looks like 1, because if we have right here 1, we have 16 in a vertical way. But if it looks horizontal, we have 2 number that we need to find and 8. So 2 right here, we have 8. And the last number from this line, we find that this number equal to 1. And let's check it in this way. 2 times 1 times 8. 2 times 8 and times 1. As a result, we have what? We have 16. So this logic is absolutely correct. We find our answer. So our number that we need to find equal to 1, because in every way, right here, right here, right here, we need to have 16. So our answer is option D, is equal to 1. But what about you? Maybe you find another pattern between all of this number. Maybe you go right here in a diagonal way. Maybe you go between even and odd number. Maybe you find the pattern between lines, another pattern. It will be more interesting to read about it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this brain test. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And write something down in a comment. I really appreciate it as well. Thank you and have a great day.